file this under ironic because here I was thinking, I don't get pimples anymore. I was sent this to review, but I was like, yeah, then I got a breakout. What? So let's see how these work and actually try it out. We all know those super cute little pimple patches that all the teenagers are wearing, the little stars and hearts or little circles. But these are really cool because they are cut your own. So they're going to be much more budget friendly and you can do big or small, cut them to size. This is the Pimple Patch Hydrocolloid Roll. 1, 2. It just looks like a roll of tape, honestly. Look at that. Wow. Not pre-cut. It is a full roll. You gotta cut your own to size. Each roll is just under 1/2 inch wide, 197 inches long. Gonna give you so many patches in one roll, and then you've got 2 in here. The instructions are on the back. Before you apply the patches, make sure you wash your face with soap and dry it thoroughly, otherwise they might not adhere properly. It says, step 1, press one corner of the patch with your thumbnail and pull it out horizontally. Step 2, peel it off. Pinch the loosened corner and peel downward to fully remove the patch. So then you've got the 2. This is just your, like, throw this one away, the clear one. And then this one is what you're gonna stick. Apply the patch to the blemish and leave on for 6 to 8 hours and remove after oil is absorbed. Can't even tell I have it on. Let's do the other one. Peel it off. Do this one right on top. So there we go. Kind of skin colored. Semi-translucent, they're a little shiny. You could cut them even smaller, so they're like really teeny tiny. Barely noticeable. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You would never know. It's my little secret. To remove the patch, hold one corner with your fingernail, pull it horizontally, and then lift it vertically to easily remove it. So here you see a lovely pus-filled pimple. You are treating it and then it kind of pulls it out, dries it out, and heals it much quicker than on its own. I think it's also doing a great job of keeping it kind of clean and keeping you from picking at it or popping it or whatever. Oh, don't do that. This stuff is amazing. If you've got teens or you yourself have random pimples and breakouts that you like to treat, these are amazing, very budget friendly, easy to use.